Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Now on this video I want to explain a trade that I took on Usdchf last week. It was actually two trade. I won one and I lose one, and I want to explain how I caught those trade. I was actually busy throughout the week, that's why I could not do the video, but I said let me just do the video to explain it today. Now before we enter the new week, now on the daily time frame, you can clearly see that we are bullish. Market is creating higher highs, higher lows. For me to know my trend, immediately once I open my daily time frame and I see two highs and two lows, that is my trend already. I don't care what the other ones are doing. As long as I open my daily time frame and I saw two highs and two lows going in one direction, that is my trend already. As you can see, this is a low, this is a high, this is a low, this is a high, this is another low. This is my trend already. So we are bullish. Now after that, we'll now go down to our 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, this is where I want to mark out a new structure. Now this is it. When you go down to your 4-hour time frame, you want to mark out a new structure separate from the one that you saw on the daily time frame. If you notice, I did not mark any structure on my daily time frame. I did not mark anything. I simply just want to see it with my naked eyes where the market is going. That is the trend. That is it. To know the trend is not hard. As long the market is trendy, immediately you open the chart, you will see that it's trendy. Anything that is trendy is what everybody is saying. So that is it. So now on the 4-hour time frame, this is where I want to mark out my key level. I want to mark out my structure and mark out my key level. As you can see, let's start from here. This is the recent structure. Now the market created the low, created the high, comes back, creates another low, and break this recent high. Now this is now my new structure. From this place, from this particular low to this particular high is now my new structure. Sure you can see. From this low to this high, this is now my structure. So all I have to do is look for a key level. I don't know, you might call it anything. It might want to be, some people call it supply, demand, or whatever other block, whatever you want to call it. But I know that is a point of interest that you are expecting the markets to react from or reverse from. So you will start looking for it from this particular structure. This is your recent structure. So what did I do? I mark out my key level. This is it. This is one of the key level that I mark, and the market came down and retraced back to that key level and rejected. Now this is what I did. When the market was coming back, the market created a low close to the key level, to the point of interest, but did not tap into the point of interest. Market creates a high, comes back and tap into the point of interest, almost even cover the point of interest, and the market retraced back. To me, this is it. When the market was coming back to the point of interest, my mind already say, okay, this market is about to change structure, because this is a high, this is a low, this is a high, this is a low. Now what we confirm that the market has changed structure on the 4-hour time frame is when the market break this low, this recent low that it created. So I was waiting for the market to break this low. If at all, then I will change my bias to bearish. Maybe I will start looking for set to this other key level down here. But what did the market do? The market retraced and went up and break this high. Immediately the market break that high, my bias was confirmed. This is it. Immediately the market break this high, my bias was confirmed that okay, fine, we are going bullish. Buyers are taking over this market. So what did I do? I marked out this point of interest. this fair value gap you can see here. After the market break this high, I marked this fair value gap. So I was waiting for the market to retrace back into the fair value gap. So that was when I went to my lower time frame, my 30 minutes or the 15 minutes. That is how I normally do it, 30 minutes or the 15 minutes. Now, this was the key level, the fair value gap. As you can see that after the market went up, the market was retracing back, but did not get into the point of interest, the fair value gap that I mark. Now, the market first came from here and reject, create this high, comes back, create a low. Now, this was it. I was actually observing because I want the market to get into my point of interest. But if the market did not come into my point of interest, I know that, okay, we are bullish. The market is about to buy. I already know. After this high was broken, I already know. So first, the confirmation I was looking for the market to come into this point of interest and maybe give me something like this, create a structure and take out the structure. So this will be a confirmation for me to buy. But guess what? Sometimes the market will not get to your point of interest. You just have to take it like that. And this was my confirmation to take the trade. The market came down, create a low, went up, create a high, and comes back to create a low. I was expecting this low to get to the point of interest, but the price did not get into the point of interest. And the market created, as you can see, this is an engulfing candle, this red and this black. You can see that the black candle is a bullish candle. It fully engulfed the full red candle. That was my first confirmation that, okay, fine, this price will not get to this key level. So I did not want to enter the trade just like that. Though I mark out a point of interest here, but I did not want to enter the trade just like that after the engulfing candle. So I waited. This is another confirmation that I used to use. I waited for this high to get broken. So I waited for the market to break this high to confirm to me that, okay, we are really going bullish. The market don't want to come to this my point of interest. You want to start buying from here. So I waited for the market to break this high. Immediately the market break this high with this black candle, and I waited for this red candle to retrace. That was when I took the trade. As you can see, immediately I take the trade, the market start going up. See, market start going up. Although this trade was like 2 days. From here to here was like the first day, retrace back. It was the second day that I looked for a re-entry. Meanwhile, my position was still open. But this re-entry, I reduced the risk. The re-entry was from here. I guess the re-entry was from here. No, not there. The re-entry was from here. Something like that was from here. The re-entry was from here, but I lost that trade, and this is it. This is the after the trade of this one and before the trade, and this is the re-entry of after before the trade and after the trade. So I lost one and I won one. That was